What's going on, everyone? I had a viewer request to try to show sharpening pressure. I had mentioned it in one of my other videos. I don't remember who the viewer was, so apologize for that. But somebody did ask to see if I could show the pressure I'm using while I'm sharpening and while I'm deburring. Going to give it a shot, see how this comes out, and I'm just going to run through basic sharpening. This knife isn't super dull, but the other thing is I'm not sure if the stone's going to want to stay put on here, but I'll give it a go, and then we'll be able to see what happens while I'm deburring. Alright, shot number 2 here. See if that keeps it from moving. Okay, that looked like somewhere around 3 pounds, but we got a nice burr. Okay, we're gonna hop into some alternating edge leading strokes to deburr and micro bevel. We'll now we typically drop pressure as we go along, so a couple strokes at moderate pressure, and then we'll go down to what I've always said was almost no pressure. So we'll see what that actually comes out to. Okay, so that's enough to take the burr off, and now we're just gonna, keep refining that edge with less and less pressure. All right, so it looks like we started off sharpening around that 3+ pound range, and at the end we're only about 2 ounces. So pretty interesting. I always knew I was reducing pressure. I always recommended that's the way to do it, but never knew by how much. So it's pretty cool. I appreciate the idea for filming this, and hopefully this comes out pretty good. I recently made a Reddit post. We are definitely going to continue with the sharpening videos on this channel, but the intention of this channel has always been an outdoor channel. So, stick around. There's definitely more sharpening stuff to come. I definitely have plans for more stone reviews and whatnot. But I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, because this channel is getting very close to the levels where I can monetize it, and once it starts making some money, definitely start buying some more stones and whatnot. Thanks for watching.